This piece of land belongs to my father. So get out.
I see. This piece of land belongs to me. And over my dead body, will I leave it for you? Stay out of this land.
My baby, give me my baby. I want my baby. Are you mad? I'm giving you. Because of ordinary bread.
You will eat and die. I've been insulted. And I don't like it.
All of you will be judged one by one. See, they are accusing me. I do not believe.
What did you do to my fiancé?
And who is your silly fiancé?
Ebube has to tell me how my father inflicted madness on Ozioma. I felt very insulted. I felt like a little child, and I am not going to tolerate that.
You know, the God I serve will punish you and your family.
It's
for
you.
doing that to my sister.
It's you
You
and your household that God will punish.
Shut up! Are you mad? When you make any sense? See her here. She's accusing me. Catch her. Wait, let me catch her.
No.
Let me catch her.
No, you need to undo that immediately. Tell your native doctor to undo that.
Emmanuel, anything. Emmanuel, hold that on.
I said, what did you do?
Ozioma has no reason to be mad, but for the atrocities committed by her father.
I will go to Ngenu Kwenu. I will go to Mumu. I will go to Ofufe. I will go to Ajani. I will go to Ogugu. And solve my daughter's problem.
Amazing God.
Catch her.
You always come through for me. Amazing God. Amazing God. Amazing God. Oh, you always come through for me. Amazing God.